Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix Battlefield RedSec Proxifier error.
Fix 1. Restart Proxifier and end Battlefield. Step 1. Close Battlefield completely. Step 2. Exit Proxifier from the system tray. Step 3. Restart your PC. Step 4. Open Proxifier first, then launch Battlefield. Fix 2. Check Proxifier settings. Step 1. Open Proxifier. Step 2. Go to Profile, Proxy Servers. Step 3. Ensure your proxy IP, port, and protocol are correct. Step 4. Go to Profile Proxification Rules and make sure Battlefield EC is included. Fix 3. Run as administrator. Step 1. Right-click Proxifier. X. Select Run as administrator. Step 2. Right-click Battlefield. XE. Select Run as administrator. Step 3. Try launching the game again. Disable conflicting VPN firewall. Step 1. Temporarily turn off any VPNs running in the background. Step 2. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Allow an app through firewall. Make sure Battlefield and Proxifier are allowed.